Well, we're on site at the USS Alabama. Yesterday we did our LiDAR mission with the MD LiDAR 1000 HR, which was a great opportunity for Thompson Engineering to see the new technology that we've released for the 1000 platform. Really interested in seeing the data set for it. Today we got out here to perform our photogrammetry mission. So we have the MD Mapper 1000 DG that we used today to actually get our high quality ortho for the area. Once we're all finished with this and we merge the two data sets together, we're going to end up with a very nice colorized point cloud, and we should be able to see an incredible amount of detail in the battleship that we flew yesterday. We're in the field today with Kenny from Thompson Engineering. He has just finished putting down his panels for the photogrammetry mission that we're about to fly, and now he's going to wander through and get check shots on the different surfaces that are in the park.
The reason why we're here today is we're doing a survey for the battleship in the VMP Battleship Memorial Park. And what we're hoping to do is provide these guys with something they can use in the future in case they want to add on or do improvements to the park. And we're hoping the data we provide really helps out.
All right, so we're connected. We're going to upload the mission. So we went through our checklist, everything's good to go. We're going to be flying safe. And it looks like we've got our aerial target set up in the right place, so I believe we're ready to go. All right, we're at 100 meters, which is flight altitude, and we're going into waypoint mode. All right, we're done with our alignment, so now it's going to go to the northeast corner of the park and start working its way south. So she's making her first line just outside the battleship itself.
So the challenges for this particular project is that we are in the middle of the summer. It's the busy season for the park. We knew that the facility was going to have a lot of people in and out. So we have to plan our mission to take all the participants of the park in effect. We want to be safe. We want to let these people go home and enjoy their vacation. Where you at on battery?
23.3. We've been up in the air for right at 11 minutes. I'm about to bring it out of waypoint mode and bring it back to land it to swap batteries, and then we'll go back up. Easy, girl. Don't make me look bad now. We good?
My thoughts on the data that we've collected so far, everything seems to be coming together real good. We were able to capture all the LiDAR data yesterday, and today, you know, we're still flying the photogrammetry, so it looks like this should be successful for us and should all come together good. We've been checking the data on the photos. Won't know too much more about it until we get in the office.
We actually finished up shooting the battleship itself, so we're going to work west from there, and everything's going according to schedule.
Well, we had a few hiccups. It's one of those things where you show up and then you think everything's gonna go fine, but it's always, you know, nothing's ever gonna go perfectly. So you gotta plan for that and you know, make contingencies for that. So we did, but besides that, you know, once we got everything straightened out with our hiccups, everything went smooth. There was, like I said, the weather worked great with us. We did everything in a safe manner and nobody was at risk and everything was great.